So this morning, you guys, we are gonna go look at some equipment, rental equipment. We got a job. We closed, well, we booked a job unexpectedly this week. Doing some grading, you guys, is clearing out these brushes and and we're gonna grade it, rake the yard, and just get it all cleaned up, the backyard. As you guys saw in the last video, it is a mess, and so we're gonna do that this morning. Get the rentals all lined up. We got to call 811 for the dig, the utilities located, and then we're gonna go pick up Brian, Eric's business partner, and we're gonna go and do some more mowing, you guys. Continue. Alright guys, so we are dropping off the mowers. We gotta take the trailer, have an empty trailer, that way we can put the brushes on there. We're gonna go do some trimming first. Alright, the trailer's empty.
I'll have both of them, I guess.
Yeah. What are we doing? We cutting the tree, this limb?
There's a tree on the left side. There's a branch hanging.
Sweet. Echo, huh?
Organization skills here. Oh man, I'll get as high as I can, reach up there, Carolyn, and then we'll see what we can do.
Put this out at the road?
Yeah.
Out down that far right side.
You don't need this, do you, Eric?
No, I wasn't sure if John.
Okay. Alright guys, we got that branch down. I think we got another one over here somewhere. Just got to cut over here.
About 3 or 4 feet of it.
We need to cut it in kind of smaller pieces. Right here is tricky because it's hard to get it off the road.
Right.
Away from the road.
Need a blower?
I don't know if I can get the angle right, you know? Put it on my back and it won't take a minute.
Is that the only one? Or you got to get all the gutters?
I can't get that.
You got to get all the gutters?
Just like this little piece and one piece the same on the other side. That's the only gutters you got to do.
Alright.
Alright, we got a texture in a minute. Next yard's down the street. Alright, I'll try to get it with some.
Give me a Cindy Lauper here. Alright guys, getting this all trimmed down. Looking good. It's a nice house. Jeez.
It's way, it goes down. Big
It's deeper.
hole in the back
Oh,
with the
jeez.
fountain.
You gonna just back down here? You just gonna back down
Yeah,
here?
get stuff up.
Alright. What is it? 8:20. What's today? Wednesday?
Wednesday, yeah. almost
Wednesday,
Thursday. It's
yes. Wednesday, we got 4 or 5 more accounts to do.
Yep. Trim a couple bushes.
Trim a few bushes.
Light duty stuff though.
Yeah. Yesterday we trimmed a lot.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
Oh yeah. You guys do a lot of trimming. Alright. So we're gonna go pick up Brian, you guys, and then load up the trailer.
What?